I'm going on a weekend bender of a motorcycle ride. We are leaving here in Meridian, Idaho, all the way to West Yellowstone. We're gonna ride through the park, see how far we can go, see what we can go see. And we don't want to rush it too much because we are going to be riding quite a bit. And the way that we're going to go through Craters of the Moon. We're going to go through Rexburg, Idaho, BYU, Idaho. Let's go. That's going to be awesome. It's going to be like the least favorite part of this drive. But from Rexburg to West Yellowstone, it's a fun little highway. So we're going to get to West Yellowstone, camp there. We got a nice campground that we're going to be able to stay at on Saturday night. We'll wake up on Sunday and ride through the whole park. The whole park is gonna be amazing. Get some throttle therapy. It's been a while since I've been able to do something like this. On Monday, we're gonna wake up early and drive through some amazing mountain roads. So I hope you guys tag along. All right, so we are getting ready to go. I have 4 minutes before people will be here. Am I packed? No. This is the start of the trip. We didn't film any footage on the way over because of time constraints. Really nice way to get into the park. Just beautiful scenery from the get-go. Then for lunch we stopped at Cowboy Grill, and it was pretty cool, fun place, basic food. Had to go do our first pit stop and pick up some gas, which made us the rest of the way. Great toilets, and ripped back up this amazing road.
Hey, I'll follow you. All right, go. Alright, yeah, let's go. That was awesome. What? Alright, ready? Go, go, go!
This was a straight stretch with a beautiful background, so you know what that means.
You feel me? Hey, can somebody else destroy this? That bike, he's probably going like a 130. Yes! That was easily like a $140. Yeah.
Yeah, decided to take our shirts off because I made a joke earlier that it would be nice because we were all sweating. So we decided to do what's called tarps off. Cody then experienced for the next few miles very aggressive secondhand embarrassment. I could just feel it through his soul.
Have you seen people's faces? We got between here and Boise to find a campfire spot
Yeah,
tonight.
I'd say we just like, you know, we'll get dinner, we'll look up something on the way home, and then that's our plan.
Yeah.
We've only done like 120 miles, but it's been almost all day because we keep stopping to look at stuff like this. That's a good time. The dragon's mouth. I saw this at Disneyland when I was a kid. Yeah, that's some hot water. Make some freaking top ramen out of that crap real quick.
Later that same evening.
Brandon and I switched because he had been hunched over and had no heated grips or anything. So me being the caring cousin that I am, I decided to make the offer, switching to my grandpa bike, and then I very responsibly rode out of the park on a borrowed bike from my cousin.
The next day.
Day 3, the home stretch.
The first one to the power pole wins? Okay, 3 honks. Do you want me to honk it? Okay. Okay, ready? Against the bag.
But if you've never had the opportunity to go on a little trip like this and want to, if you feel that it would be beneficial for you, just do it. Just go have fun, make the most of it. Next thing you know, you will be dead. So go do it before that point.